Hey everybody, Alex here with Edina Realty. Hope you're having a great start to your Monday. I want to talk pre-approvals really quickly because I'm having a lot of conversations right now with buyers that are looking to get their feet wet in the market come 2023. So, a couple tips for you. One, first and foremost, make sure you're working with a loan officer that you know, like, and trust, okay? So just like there are tons of realtors out there, there are tons of loan officers, and it's very important to make sure you're working with somebody that, whose heart is fully in it and they're excited to help you. Secondly is education. Make sure they are educating you on what your options are as far as loans go, and also just about the process, okay? It's not just filling out an application and collecting a pre-approval letter and going shopping. There's a lot behind the scenes that you as a buyer want to educate yourself on. I can't tell you the amount of times that I sit down with buyers who have talked to lenders and the lender didn't educate them on what earnest money is, what are closing costs, what do they consist of, what are discount points, does it make sense for me to pay off my PMI, up front? Those things are all very, very important. Thirdly is communication, right? So just making sure that they are readily available to you to run a monthly payment scenario, send us a pre-approval letter, and maybe even reach out to the listing agent on your behalf just to say, hey, yep, they're solid. We see no issues here. It doesn't hurt to have more than one person going to bat for you. So those are kind of the most important things I think when it comes to connecting yourself with a loan officer or aligning yourself with the right one. I work with several fantastic ones that I consider to be the best of the best in business. So if you need a connection, please feel free to reach out. And again, whether you're looking to purchase this spring, summer, or even next winter, it doesn't hurt to start having that conversation. A term that I use a lot that makes me feel very old is getting your ducks in a row, okay? It doesn't hurt to start doing that. So reach out if you want a connection. I would absolutely love to start having that conversation with you. When you want to obtain a goal, it takes planning. So let's start planning, okay? I hope you guys have a wonderful day and reach out if you have any questions. I am here to be a resource for you and all of your real estate needs. Cheers. Have a wonderful Monday.